welcoming the 8 finalists in the women's 200-yard individual medley. In lane number 1, Kenzie Warden, Greenwich Dolphins. In number 2, from Richfield, Ava Ward. In 3, from Richfield, Olivia Maltz. In 4, from the Bluefish, Jacqueline Zepagin. In 6, from Bulldogs, Anna David. In 7, from Water Rats, Ella Gustin. In 8, from Richfield, Ava Maltz. In 9, from Weston, Aubrey Bedard. And in 10, from Richfield, Maverick Lumen. Your top qualifier in lane number 5, 205.82 this morning, Bluefish Swimming's Margot Levesque.